Hello, Cindy.
Hi, Jerry.
Okay, so today our interview topic is AI in education. And the first question is, what do you know about AI in education? What do you know about it?
Well, especially when I have the calculus class, when I meet some problem in the homework and I can't find anyone to help me and answer my question, I will use like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to to know about the calculus class and my to know about the calculus and my homework. Uh, it can it can solve my problem and also
Okay,
expand my knowledge.
to compare to a real person who can help you, do you think AI is better at doing your calculation things, or a real person or teacher, professor can help you better?
Because my math teacher is busy. Uh,
Oh,
he often didn't respond my WeChat or my emails. So, but the DeepSeek can always tell me punctually. So I think sometimes the AI is a better one, and my classmates, and my friends also be the good solver.
okay, cool. So let's jump into the question two. What is your opinion about how AI will affect education in the future?
I think uh, like some future science movie, um, in the future, the class will be have a big blue screen that will for the teacher, and every student will have a small screen on the desk, and the AI might be the major teacher. The teacher might become from the person who teach our knowledge and told us how to do it, becomes the assistant to help us how to use the AI betterly and clearly. And but the AI become the conductor who tell us our knowledge.
So you think the major part of the class will be held by the AI and the teacher will just be assistants in the future and the AI will become the main teacher, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so why do you not think AI will completely replace teachers' role, but they will like well cooperate with each other? Why do you prefer to the latter one, but not the first one? AI will completely replace it.
Because AI also will have a mistake, but the mistake should the people to correct it.
But do you think teacher has the ability to correct AI? Because as far as I'm concerned, I think most of teachers are not that smart compared to AI, at least in high school range or in junior high school range. AI is really good at or competent at some problem solving things, right?
No, no, no. I don't mean that. I think AI will tell us the elementary knowledge like on the textbook or when we have a quiz, they'll tell us the answer and the basic solution. But um, but when we meet some puzzle or some more difficult question, we we are tend to our teacher to help us.
Okay,
Yes, so
thanks.
the AI is just a tool to decrease the teacher stress.
So why you think teachers are assistant instead of AI?
No, the I say AI just uh because on the class we have a two part uh to consist our class. The first one is the basic knowledge, and the second one is the extent content. So, like on the basic knowledge, uh, it's it's our old generation to summarize our is our old generation summarize the uh, I want to further explain because
Okay, okay.
so the class we said the class conclude the two parts. The first one
Mm,
is the basic knowledge, and the second one is the extent content. And when the AI met, and AI can told us the basic knowledge, which the old generation summarize their experience and the real conception. The AI can tell us this basic knowledge and make us to know what they are. But and AI also have the strong function that he can search on the website and have the web to use the webnet to use the webnet uh, to find the unique question and some practice that suit every single person. Um, this this function can be more clever than human teacher.
the I think you want to say that AI can make the process of finding questions which suit for everybody and
Yeah,
spread it to the classes faster, right? Like it's more convenient. And and as far as I'm concerned, this process is not very hard. It's not very easy to make mistakes for teachers or AI. So you can completely um, let AI to do such a thing
yeah,
to find the questions because always usually they got answers with the questions, so AI will not be wrong.
yeah.
Okay. Do you trust in teacher better or AI better?
Uh,
At least in 30 to 50 years.
they have the they
But
have such a big difference is that the human can explore the new thing, but the AI only can summarize and practice the old thing. Like uh, if we just have the basic education, um, like in the primary school, in the junior high school, AI might be smarter because because this knowledge is simple. It's more simple. It's more simple than the college or some doctor. So, but when we get the high level in education, like we were in the college or we were research something that was new and that was latest. Um, I believe the human intelligence is better than AI.
okay, thanks. Thanks for that opinion. And okay, let's jump to question three. What are the possible problems associated with the topic in the future? What's the problems you find in education in the future?
The biggest problem is job cut, I
Job
think.
cut.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
because
Explain it.
like what we say before, the AI 你好可爱呀。
我这段就不剪出去了哦。
可以
Okay, so we can firstly name some name some problems instead of just give me a job cut. What others do you think exist as a problems for AI in
what other
education?
things.
So
The other
except
thing might
apart from job
also
cut,
exist the cheating. Cheating will
yeah,
be
cheating.
more,
That's a big problem.
yeah, because we may have the when our homework or our exam move to the online, um the cheating ways will be more because it's more simple. in the at the physical exam.
During your university life, have you cheated with AI ever
What?
while doing your homework? Have you ever used AI to help you?
Sure. Every time when I
Yeah, sure.
meet a
Everybody do it.
problem, I will have a question to AI, but but every time I will learn it and do it for alone uh myself. Mm.
Cool. Do you have anything apart from job card and cheating?
Maybe maybe the classmate will be less cohesive.
Or what do you
Yeah,
mean? The job will become more cohesive.
be less cohesive.
What will be next cohesive? Job net?
Because everyone can just answer the AI, because everyone can only react with AI to accomplish his work. Uh, he needn't cooperate with others to maybe negotiate a math problem or cooperate the work team homework. Uh, I believe the person, if he can uh react with AI well, he can do a lot of things compared to now,
So what
compared
is
to
the most,
traditional learning methods.
okay, among them, what is the most serious problem? And
More
why is it
serious problem,
most serious?
most serious,
So, yeah, which one is the most serious one?
the most serious。我没有看见这个问题。
No, it's okay, just pick one. Just pick one out of it.
What do you think of it?
Hmm. Well, obviously, cheating is not a good thing, but
Yeah, but I don't think it's the most serious one. The most serious one will be associated with the society and security, but this is just about the personal personality.
does it have anything to do with education? Because we are talking about AI in education.
Yeah. So about education can also associate with the society.
In what way?
Well, we job card maybe.
Job card.
Every uh I believe every job can be employed can be employed as a job this as a teacher this job, because like my main class teacher, maybe they majored in the chemistry making or the electricity. uh their majors in college varies a lot, which means everyone can do the teacher this job as if you want it and you tried it.
With the help of
But
AI?
no, no, no. I say now,
Yeah.
in the present, at the present. But but when AI popularize,
Mhm. Become more and more
uh,
popular in the future.
yeah, uh, the need for teacher will be decreased
Oh.
rapidly.
Do you think a educated normal person can be trained as a teacher in the future with the help of AI? In other words, can anyone in your university or in my university become a teacher in the future, even if they haven't been um, systematically trained as a teacher, but with the help of AI?
No, I believe, especially in the college, um, they the AI won't be replace the teacher this position forever, but the true teacher might become to the AI because I think, although I I'm studying the fantastic university, but I think my major educational teacher can teach me some very useful information to help my future or my future job. So, the most knowledge I learned is from the Bilibili or YouTube, YouTube, or the DeepSeek or your ChatGPT, and not from my teachers. So, and also and my classmate also has the same or similar situation. So, but uh, but some, especially in this uh, good university, the teacher also symbolize the the owner and the state statue of the university. So, like if we have the experts in some area, which means these universities 专业怎么说呀？
Majors.
就是 majors,
Yes, majors.
which means the majors from this university is fantastic. It's awesome.
Mm.
So, and
But
this can be the good way to attract more excellent students. But AI AI can do AI can do that because every university can use AI.
is that true for high school? Because we are talking about university or colleges, they are higher education institutions. But what if we are just apply AI to elementary schools or primary school, even kindergarten? Can AI mm, be uh, competent enough to become teachers in those institutions?
The AI and the junior high school might change, might convert to the AI teacher. I think it has a possibility, but I think the kindergarten and the senior high school are less likely to change to the AI teacher because kindergarten is the period that to make the kids to know the words better. The um, the most important purpose to the kindergarten is to make the kids play happily and play happily and make some friends instead of learning some knowledge. But and to the senior high school, senior high school because senior high school knowledge is more important than junior high school. So
So, so you want a real teacher to teach you. Mm.
yeah, I want teacher teach me because
You
they're
feel better.
friendly. I miss them.
Okay, okay, cool. So that's all. Is that all? Do you have
Yeah, it's
anything
a,
to supplement?
no, I just come on finished it over
Oh,
over.
okay. Thank you, Cindy, for today's interview. Goodbye.
No goodbye, no goodbye.
Okay, this is Jack. Let's welcome our second interviewee. Hi, Jack.
Hi.
Okay, so today our interview topic is AI in education. The first question I want to ask you is, what do you know about AI in education?
AI in education involves using artificial intelligence technologies to enhance the personalized learning and teaching experience. And my你不要逼死我，
Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Continue, continue.
剪掉刚才那一段。My understanding of that personalized adaptive learning. First of all, AI-powered platform can analyze a student's performance in real time and identifying strengths and weakness. And the system then adapts the curricular curriculum and providing easier questions um, for for struggling concepts or more challenging material for those who have mastered a topic. Tools like intelligent tutoring system are prime examples. And for the second topic is that AI can automate time-consuming tasks for educators, such as grading multiple choice and fill in the blank assignment, and scheduling and handling routine students' inquiries. These frees up teachers to focus on more impactful activities like lessons planning on one-on-one student interaction. And
Good.
moreover, there are AI systems that provide students with immediate personalized feedback and support. Mimicking a human tutor, they can guide the students through complex problems step by step, offering hints and explanations. Yeah.
Wow. Massive answers. I like your opinion. So generally speaking, you think AI education will act as a positive factor in the future, right? As for the education.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. You're quite a optimistic boy. So what are the possible problems associated with this topic in the future that you can think of the problems?
The problems in the future.
Yeah, the problems of AI in education in the future.
As AI blooming in this era, it was already able to automate the repetitive work based on its powerful performance on captivating the knowledge and information that existing and to complete all kinds of work. But it's still unable to generating or we say accomplish innovative tasks environments that considering many different factors. And while all the problems are significant, I think that how we treat the relationship between human and AI is the most serious one. So I would say, in what ways can we come up with create to create new professions or occasions that producing value and based on human creativity and AI power, but not simply let AI to replace the position of human beings. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the problems. Do you have any other ideas apart from this one? Like apart from AI will replace human beings because I have heard a lot about it. Have you ever thought of any other things in education? Because education not only consists of teachers, students, we also have a lot of other things.
Um, Another thing is that over reliance on uh, the academic integrity and over reliance
Oh,
on AI. Um,
oh,
the
yeah.
ease of using generative AI like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to complete their assignments and threaten the very foundation of academic honesty. Furthermore, there are risks that students may become overly dependent on AI, hindering the development of their own critical thinking and problem-solving muscles.
Okay, so uh, we are talking about the academic integrity. So here I have a question. As for the students cheating on the examinations using AI, we have a way to solve it. Is that using AI to test to detect the AI generated context or the answers? But do you think it's a good thing to use AI to beat AI, or we just restrict AI from examinations, from homework? Do you think detect AI is better or use AI to detect AI? I mean, you do want to cut
Mm,
it or just to use AI again, because if you use AI again, we will I think AI maybe find out a way to avoid being detected by itself.
so I think uh, we, we we can use AI to form a basic structure of your own work, but the detail or the real the core of your work is have to be your own job.
I see. So you treat AI as an assistant, right?
Yes,
Oh,
like a agent.
agent. Yeah, agent. I like agents. Okay, so what is the most serious problem among all the problems you have mentioned previously?
I think it's the one I have mentioned. The the, the AI's power that plays the re, um repetitive repetitive works that based on their powerful performance. And 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 one is the weakness of AI of AI itself because uh it can't generating a knowledge. It can only like uh use all the existing things that to generating similar things or to complete some uh normal common job.
Yeah, you're talking about AI's weakness. But here, like, I'm wondering about what is a problem for human beings, because it's a problem for AI to develop into a better one. But we are talking about what's the problems for human beings if AI keeps developing in a rapid ways in 30 or to 50 years in the future.
For human beings, the I think the most in, important thing is that ho- whether the education can let us to grow up develop a ability to use AI to use that in the right way and the to come up with some new professions or new occasions that are creating value for for other people.
So I think you may agree with the opinion that if the AI is growing stronger and it will become more uncontrollable, because you mentioned that we need to grow up the ability of using the AI. But if it is a problem in the future, which should mean that the AI will be more and more hard to control, right? To use at least properly.
Yeah. So what really differs from human to an AI is that we have innovativity, innovation and creativities, you know.
Yeah, cool. I see.
Mm,
That's the difference between us and the AI.
that's the only things that AI can replace from us.
Cool. Do you have any other thing to supplement? Do you have
Mm,
any other thing to say?
I wonder, mm,
Hmm.
how's your relationship between your girlfriend?
Oh, that's out of the topic. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay,
that's
okay.
that's all about our interviews. Thank you, Jack. Thank you again.
Thank you, thank you.
Have a good
You're
night.
welcome. You're welcome. And good night.
Yeah. Bye. Okay, so today I'm here with Siri, and let's continue our interview. So, Siri, our topic is AI in education. So the first question is, what do you know about AI in education?
From my perspective, in education refers to the application of
artificial intelligence technologies to transform teaching and the learning process. And the procedure model
，What the？
想了
Okay, so today I'm with Siri, and let's continue to interview. Hello, Siri. Our topic is AI in education, and I want to ask you, what do you know about AI in education?
From my perspective, AI in the education refers to the application of artificial intelligence technologies to transform teaching and learning process. For example, a teacher can adapt phones, iPad, and computers in teaching the students. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Okay. So you mean using smart devices and artificial intelligence? That's really good. And what is your opinion about how AI will affect education in the future?
Well, I think no matter the student or the teachers, they will use AI more frequently in the future
Perfect.
because it
Okay.
can bring some inconvenience. For example, if teacher don't know how to teach the students from some perspectives, they can use AI and ask them how to teach. And the students made some trouble in their homework. They can ask AI and find the solution.
Okay, so you mentioned that both students and teachers can use AI more frequently in the future to solve their own problems or help others. But there are also opinions about that. They might think AI will be overused by the students or teachers, especially for those students, because they will use it for the answers. So they will not think independently, and they will use it to cheat on the exams. So here comes our third question. What are the possible problems associated with this topic in the future that you have come to your mind?
I think there may be two problems remains. Uh, First of all, data privacy and security risks. For example, educational AI systems collect a large amount of students' personal and learning data, uh, and they will lose their privacy. And then uh, over reliance on AI is a problem. And both students and educators might become overly dependent on AI, uh, so that it will weak, weaken students' independent thinking abilities and educators' initiative in teaching design.
Okay, that's very interesting. And so a lot of people that I've interviewed have mentioned your second point, but I'm very interested about your first one. You mentioned that the AI may bring the security problem and the privacy problem. Can you elaborate more on that? Like, I'm wondering what kind of security problems have come to your mind, because it's quite a new opinion. I haven't heard about any privacy laws in AI field. Can you name some or? Why do you think so?
Um, for instance, students may may lose their facial features
Oh,
when
facial
they act
features.
with the AI, and uh, teacher may lose their uh what do you say
Their teaching materials,
their habits, their
their
teaching
habits,
habits.
teaching habits. Okay.
Okay. So I think it's very personal features, and it can't be leaked.
Uh, so we are exposed to a big internet environment, and who do you think those information, if they are leaked, who will use them? Who will take advantage of it? Who will be the criminal?
Uh, many people in Mianbei.
uh,
Oh,
how do you
Vienna,
say it in there?
North
Uh,
Vienna.
I think they will make up some situation that adapt to the teacher's the situation, and
Oh,
the, the teachers maybe uh, mislead.
mislead those students?
No, no, no. They will they will be misled by the criminals.
Oh, so
So
so so.
so that they will lost their uh, ID card or
Mm,
or some more personal information. Uh,
so teacher is playing an important role in the growth of young generation. So once teachers' information get leaked and they got misled, something serious maybe happened on the teachers, so it will be spread to the students. That's quite true.
yes, yes.
So among the two questions you have mentioned, what is the most serious one?
I think the most serious one is the over reliance on AI.
Or
Uh,
reliance.
because people will lose their creativity when they using AI to write papers. Uh, so the AI is developed by the people through some uh, materials people they write, but uh, in this cycle, the AI can't be developed uh, in the future.
Oh, I see. And I have a question for you because we all know AI and we all use AI to help us in our daily lives.
Yep.
And as for the academic field, do you think cutting AI strictly, like forbid AI from using, is correct, or use AI properly is correct while like teaching or doing your assignment? Do you think teachers should ask students not to use AI or ask students to use AI properly? Teach them.
I think the teachers should choose ask students to use AI properly because in our studying procedure there are many uh, time-consuming things to to decrease our proficiency. Uh, so 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 the students can use AI in this prospect to save their time and have more energetic to develop to devote to their major.
Okay, okay, that's cool. So we should guide students to use AI more appropriately so that we can take full advantage of it. Okay, do you
Yep.
have any more thing to say, or that's all of our interview?
That's all. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you, Siri. Thank you for today's coming. Thank you, thank you.